Hello, one and all, and welcome to episode 4 of Reaction TV. Today we're going to be watching some amazing trailers. We're going to be watching 4. First one up will be Teen Titans Go. Second, Wreck-It Ralph 2. Third, The Incredibles 2. And last but not least, one of my just favorite cartoons that's actually made into a freaking movie, Woodpecker. That's freaking awesome. I'm freaking excited for this. Can't wait to see like what all of this entails. Oh, so freaking excited. I have not seen the trailers. I've just seen like images that they've talked about, or like a commercial talking about like, hey, this is being announced. But holy crap. So I really want to enjoy this. I want to see this to the max potential that it could be. And holy crap, let's get to it. Today we are watching Teen Titans Go to the movies. This is very interesting because Warner Bros. Is going to be releasing it. I believe it's going to be on the 27th. Possibly the 27th of March. I'm not sure. That could be a different movie that I'm getting it mixed up with, or a different show. But yeah, they made this into a movie. I've seen the show. I actually enjoy the show to a certain extent. There's a lot of kind of adult things that they have in there. Not like, anything like bad adult things, but just kind of like, oh hey, take care of your 401k, or take care of your money. This is how you can invest. All these different things that are, just like mature things that people kind of have to deal with. So that's freaking awesome and pretty interesting. I didn't expect that to be the show, but there's a lot more to the show as well. And they've done so many episodes. Very entertaining. So it's awesome to see that they're going to be releasing this. So enough of me just talking about this. Let's go ahead and watch it. Also, if you haven't seen the show, I highly recommend you watch it. There's a lot of Easter eggs in there. It's freaking awesome. A lot of fun. Make sure everything is good to go. And well, let's get to it. Huh. Wonder Woman? What are you doing? Just give the people what they want. Wonder Woman, it's about us. The Teen Titans. No one wants to see us. Wonder Woman inspires people. Yes, Wonder Woman is great, but I'm not Wonder Woman. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is freaking amazing. I really like that. That was actually very funny. Oh my god. Oh, I want to see that. Oh my god. This whole thing. Oh my goodness. It's like everyone's dressed up as Wonder Woman. They're like, oh, we're gonna. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so good. This is so good. This is so freaking awesome too. Like Wonder Woman just inspires everyone. Oh my god, this is all Wonder Woman. You've done it. You've done it. They've got a movie. It's gonna be coming out in theaters. It's so freaking awesome. Oh my goodness. Wonder Woman. Oh man. I just love it. Oh my god. He just like made him fart. Oh my god. But will this end all superhero movies? That's the real question. And this is freaking fart. Oh my god. And here's the thing. If you don't this was oh my god, look at this. Are you kidding me? I just noticed this. Okay, let's take a look at this stuff. I just noticed all of this. Okay. Rorschach? Oh my god, are you kidding me? That's Green Lantern, and that's Swamp Thing. Ace Chemical Plant, Red Hood. What? Ha 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 ha. Apocalypse? Ah, Lashes. Oh my god! I didn't. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is this? Sinestro and Buns? Oh my goodness. Endless. What is that? I can't see that. But holy crap, this is so freaking awesome. Oh man, the Rorschach. Oh my goodness, this is really cool. I want to see like if there's is there other clips? Is there other stuff that I missed? No. Oh my god, that is so freaking awesome. Oh, Darkseid! I'm telling you, there's like just a bunch of these like Easter eggs. It's so freaking awesome. Oh my goodness, I freaking love this. I love to just do all these different things with it. Because Aquaman can get a movie, then anyone can. Coming soon. So it's coming soon. Doesn't say when it's coming, but yeah. Teen Titans, go to the movies. This is beautiful. I love this. Oh, I can't wait to see. Oh, I can't wait to see this. This is gonna be so freaking. And it's in the theaters. It's gonna be in theaters. This is so freaking awesome. I'm so happy, so ecstatic to see this. Oh man, this is gonna be cool. And I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. There is still more. Remember, we have next up Wreck-It Ralph, which I already have ready to go for everyone to see. Let's get to this baby here. Wreck-It Ralph. Oh man, but yeah, Teen Titans Go. Holy crap, I'm excited. If you're excited for it, let me know down in the comments down below. But yeah, we're gonna get to Wreck-It Ralph right now. Wreck-It Ralph 2. That was just so freaking amazing. I love that. It's a great start. Let's hope this just keeps getting better and better and better. Make sure everything's legit. Everything's all gravy. And let's get to it, baby. Mother... that always does it. Alright. Nice. It's coming out. Is that it? No way. What? Wait, what? Why does it look like this? Does someone just like rip it off? What just happened? Did I watch like the wrong trailer or something? I don't know. Maybe I watched the wrong trailer. This is like really weird. All right, let's check this out. Okay. Thanks. Holy crap. Oh, I don't even. Oh, so this is it? So it is like this then. Huh. Okay. So Uh-huh. So I guess that is the trailer. Uh oh, it's a teaser, I guess, but that's the teaser. I guess breaks the internet, so it's gonna, I guess, be about like maybe online gaming or computer gaming, PC gaming. That's pretty interesting. So yeah, some about that. It should be pretty interesting to see, I guess, what he's gonna interact with, considering that there's a lot of interesting PC games out there. But yeah, owns Wreck-It Ralph. I kind of waited to see that. Uh, I mean, of course, people are gonna watch it. I'm probably gonna watch it too. But I mean, it'd be nice if it was something else. Oh well. let's get to watching the next one, The Incredibles 2 official teaser. There's also 52 seconds. I hope it's good. I hope it lives up to what it needs to be. I haven't seen anything. I know a lot of people probably have seen it. I haven't seen this. So, let's get to it. Ooh, the baby! Oh shit. Oh my god. Because he has all these freaking abilities. This is like really crazy. I'm like, that's how they do it. Incredibles too. Oh sh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, next up, everyone. So that was Incredibles 2, which is really short and pretty entertaining. You guys liked it. Remember to go ahead, leave a like, comment, and also subscribe. Subscribing really helps a lot. It'll help grow this channel to do even more. And, well, obviously those are like movies that you're going to watch. Everyone's going to watch them. It's going to happen. You're going to watch it, no matter what. But now we're going to get to the one that I've been just dying to see. And that's the Woody Woodpecker official trailer. I can't believe they made this to a live action. I probably heard about it, but probably and just forgot. But I hope it's good. I really loved the Woody Woodpecker show when I was a kid. It was an animated series. It was freaking awesome. Freaking love them. The colors. Oh, it was spectacular. So, Chili Willy. Do you guys remember Chili Willy, the little penguin? Oh man, I doubt he'll be in this. If he is, holy crap, that's awesome. But let's see what's going on. Let's watch this and first let's get the volume up there because that's important. Or else, how am I gonna know what he's saying or what's going on? So let's get to it. Oh, his laugh. Yeah, Woody Woodpecker. Oh. Well, they're messing with his. Wait, he's in there? What? Oh, shit. Oh, wait, what? Oh. Huh. And the birds and the bees? What the hell? Uh-huh. Oh, that's nasty. Oh God. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say that. That looked like yeah, that looked like a straight to DVD. I was about to say, I was like, this is coming out in theaters. I'm like, I don't know about that because like his animation, like it's good, but it's not that good. It's not. Uh, yeah, it's definitely not. Well, then again, I mean, look at Scooby Doo, so possibly. This actor, freaking awesome actor, but I mean, he's doing Woody Woodpecker, so hey, whatever. Hopefully, it's good. Uh, I don't know. We'll see what all this is about. I'm pretty sure that net was actually meant for Woody Woodpecker to like capture him or something. It is very interesting. It seems like it'll be an alright movie. Doesn't seem like there's you know it's gonna be too much of a crazy thing. I was expecting this to be better than I guess what it is. What does it say right there? It says the pileated red-crowned woodpecker. The pileated red-crowned woodpecker is a flip-billed bird with a red feather tuft atop his head and a brilliant blue plumage on the body. A unique feature of this woodpecker is his shrill bird song and distinctive and carrying titter. This variety tends to be active in both the day and the night hours and feeds on a wide variety of foods. These are the largest of the woodpecker family. That's crazy. That's cool. That's actually they made like a little thing for him. That's pretty cool. I don't know. This it looks interesting. I mean, I'll probably watch it. It's Woody Woodpecker. I'll probably watch it. You know, to see. I mean, it seems like it'll be fun or something. Just entertaining. It's like I feel like they might do more of these. That's where I hope it kind of just they don't. It's coming out February 6th, so it's coming out soon. DVD and digital, probably Blu-ray as well. Let me know if you're excited for this. If you're not, let me know why down in the comments below. I don't know. I thought it was gonna be like a movie in theaters. What it would Woody Woodpecker would be very different. But hey, it is what it is. It happened. I don't know if anyone asked for it, but it's here. So let's watch it and let's enjoy it for what it is, I guess. And well, yeah. So thank you all so much for watching. If you're watching the live, yeah, people watching live. Thank you all so much. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. For more videos, click there. You're going to be right there. Don't forget to also subscribe and visit my Patreon. I really appreciate it. Thank you all so much. I will catch you guys on another Reaction TV. Until then, take care. Bye.